Namaste to all. I am Yashoda Bande. I am director at Srishrifa Pondicherry Child Development Center, and I am a qualified pediatric physical therapist with more than 18 years of experience with accreditations in field of neurodevelopmental therapy, sensory integration, early intervention, approaches which supports my profession. Other than this, I am a kids fitness coach. 2 years, there has been a paradigm shift in my clinical practice wherein I started getting references from school teachers and walk-in parents came to me with their kid presenting with problems like inability to pay attention while the teacher has been teaching, difficulty in copying from board, skipping letters or words while reading, and also kind of fidgeting. In detailed evaluation, I could identify that these kids are not coming under any specific diagnosis like learning issues, learning difficulties, dyslexia, autism, ADHD, and so on. But what was unfolded after evaluating from a detailed history taking of the routine structure of the child, or how does he spend a day, even with that one question, I could understand that there is a biggest missing component in the child's life, and that is play, exercises. It's more of sedentary lifestyle, more of screen time, and putting this kids on some therapeutic intervention and reframing the way they spend the day with more of play, we could see good results in the kids, and the parents were very happy with us. Living in the age of increasingly sedentary and screen focused lives, which is having a direct impact on child's mental as well as physical well-being other than the academic performance. What a child does in his early days of life becomes a blueprint for the rest of the life, and if you all understand study of epigenetics, it is not restricted to this lifetime but for generations to come. Being in the age of increasingly sedentary and screen focused lives, which is having a direct impact on the child's physical and mental well-being other than the academic performance. At this moment is a conscious effort to inculcate a healthy habit of exercises and more of playtime in the child's routine. We've been already conducting some awareness programs to establish the efficacy of exercises and its direct impact on academic performance and cognition. Also, I've come out with the Srishri Brain Hacks YouTube channel wherein I'm going to present some movement based exercises and activities which will enhance the brain development. Thank you to all for supporting me with this cause and liking my webinars and YouTube channel activities, and please stay in tune for some more updates. Till then time, happy learning. Keep moving.